All right, we are literally 2 steps away from literally generating leads for you guys. Get out of there, notifications. The last step in the process is to be able to collect data from the potential leads. We want to get their information into. We want to get their information into your CRM, our CRM that we're going to give you, and get them into our follow-up sequencing. So if you've got lead forms in here, great. If not, we're going to create one, a brand new form, right? So you would create new form. I'm going to open up our existing one because I don't want to duplicate our stuff. Well, I forgot they don't let you edit these. They don't let you edit these forms for some reason. I guess we're creating a new one. Okay. So we're going to create. This is what happens when you create, right? It'll pop up. We're going to title this form. Again, we're going to title this so that we can keep track of where the leads come from. This is Frisco, Texas, 349K. We've got 4 steps in this process. If you come over back to our create Facebook lead form, we've got 4 steps. We've broken them all down for you. Okay. We've got the entire checklist. So when you create the new lead form, you're going to create your median market price range, market and median price range, which is what we've just named the form. We've got the welcome screen, and then these are the texts that you're going to need for the welcome screen. All we have to do is literally copy and paste. So for the headline, we're going to copy, come back over. We're still in the welcome screen. We're going to paste. Bam, that gives us our headline. You want to leave the image section, leave alone. There's some congruency in psychology with the imagery matching. If you change the imagery from what they saw when they clicked to what they get when they get here, they're more likely to not follow through with giving the information. So they've clicked once. To get to the next section, they're going to click twice. They're going to click 3 times, 4 times, and by the time they get to the thank you screen, they've clicked 5 times, which when they give us their information, Facebook automatically populates their info. So the likelihood of high quality leads are there. So the next layout is going to be a paragraph layout. We're going to come back over, copy and paste the layout text. Okay. We've already pre-populated this stuff for you. Do not change the recipe. Do not change the sauce unless you know what you're doing. You want to test some things out. Okay. So this says, thank you for your interest in our free list of homes priced under $449,000. Simply tell us where we can email and text you this list of homes, or you can choose to send us a Facebook message. You can also put your signature in here if you'd like. Not necessary. It gives it more of a personal touch, makes it look more real. You can choose to do that or not. For the next step is the button text. We have that right here. Click here to view these homes. You'll not believe the amount of time it took to build this platform out for you guys, but I'm super excited to. All right, now I'm getting annoyed. There we go. Copy. And we're going to paste the button text. There's specific reasons we used. Psychologically, we want them to click here to view these homes. There's psychology in all of the advertising that we do. Okay, this is step 1. Your welcome screen. This is what happens when they click the sign up button first. So they've clicked the sign up button once. They're going to click here twice. That's 2 clicks. The next section is going to be the question section. Okay. They automatically ask for name and email. We want phone numbers as well. So you're going to choose to add custom question or see more options. We want to go with phone number. If you'd like to get more qualified information, we know this converts very high and very cheap. You can choose to ask more qualifying questions. The lead may cost a little more, but you may get higher quality leads here. You can choose to ask for things like, you can actually create custom questions. If you so choose, you can do multiple choice or short answers. So let's do a multiple choice. You can do are you working with a realtor? Multiple choice. Yes or no. you can see that it drops down yes or no. And you can also choose. I thought you could choose the format of the. I thought you could put the questions. Excuse me. I thought we could put these questions before the name, email, and phone number. But you could ask a few. If you wanted to ask some basic pre-qualifications, get some lead long form information here. Your lead cost will probably be higher, but it will be higher quality lead. You might get more avid buyers or more A buyer type people, 0 to 3 month type buyers. So that's what you here though. For this sake, I know that this works. We know that this works. This has been tested on about 50 different ad campaigns, which I'll show you the results of shortly. So I would stay with the name, email, and phone number unless you've done this before. The third step is the privacy policy. You have to have one of these. If you don't have one on your your IDX website definitely has one. So let's go over and copy Mansfield. We're going to find the privacy policy link. If you can't find the privacy policy link, the website definitely has one. All you have to do is copy the main URL. Give me 1 sec here. Let it catch up. So here it is. So here's the link, privacy policy. Most IDX websites have, actually they all do, for federal regulations, have to have a privacy policy, especially if they're collecting personal information. This gives them the information. This gives the user the description of what they do with the lead information they capture, whether or not they can distribute it, who it goes to, et cetera, et cetera. So we'll copy that link. We'll put that in the link URL. I don't know why they give you the link text, but we're going to choose privacy policy. That's what we put on all of ours. And you can choose to add a custom disclaimer if you'd like. Title, text. We've never done the custom disclaimer. You can add additional notices like marketing opt-ins and legal disclaimers to the default Facebook privacy policy. So you can actually write in your own privacy policy of what you plan to do with the lead generation. I've never done that. We've never tested it. We simply use the we know that these are legal and binding, and they meet all the regulations because they have to in order to be an IDX website. So we go with those. So we remove the custom disclaimer. The last step is the thank you screen. This is where we put that link we created in the beginning for the $349,000 property search. Remember that one? This joker right here, this long one that we created. So if we were to copy this link, we don't want to put this link. We want to know that people are actually clicking on it. So here's the 619 properties, the 3-bedroom, 2-bath, Frisco, Texas, for under $349,000. We are going to share this link here. Okay, we're going to come back here, put that in our here, and then we're going to save and finish. Bam! We are literally done with the ad creation. The next step, we are going to sync the leads. Well, first we have to certify the ads advertising compliance. We know that these are ad compliant because we run these every day, so simply click certify. You have to acknowledge their policy, their certification. And we're going to place the order. This is it. This is the exciting moment, man. This is the nuts and bolts. This is what you've been waiting for. This is where you're going to generate the leads. Bam! So, place the order. In the next video, we're going to talk in just a second. I don't know what's going on today with the internet. Okay. Your ad is being reviewed. In the next spot, we're going to talk about getting your leads, because Facebook doesn't have a CRM database themselves. They'll keep them in a spreadsheet for you that you can download whenever you want. But we literally we literally want to get them in real time. So we want to pull them from Facebook and into whatever into the CRM. All right, so we'll see you in the next video.